Regal Ideas also offers a glass picket railing system.
In the box, you're gonna find your glass pickets, your black bottom spacers, your clear top spacers,
your bottom glass vinyl inserts, and your top glass vinyl inserts.
Put all these pieces together and you've got yourself a beautiful railing. For the glass picket system, each piece needs to be supported individually. It doesn't require rubber blocks because the gaskets have this little T down here which supports each piece. Make sure you start by measuring your opening, then you can determine how many pickets you can put in so that you have between 1 inch and 4 inches beyond the last picket between it and the post. We're going to start by installing our bottom gasket and our top gasket. Glass picket. Spacer.
Now the top clear spacer has a little locking mechanism in here, and that's going to lock in the top of the glass. So you want to make sure that it clips in over top.
Now this glass picket can't lift up. That was easy.
Real easy.
Beautiful.